Good day, ma'am. This is my video discussion. Ballistics is the scene of the motion of, of the projectile and condition of affects their motion. It is a scene itself for it is an orderly arranged knowledge which is a product of service of experimentation, observation, and testing. Motion refers to the mobility or movement of projectile from the time it leaves the shell empty. It leaves the gun muzzle and unit it reach its target or fail in the ground. A projectile is any metallic or non-metallic ball which is propelled propelled from firearm. Its motion can be categorized into three general types: direct motion, rotatory motion, and translation motion. Types types motion. Direct motion is the forward motion of bullets or shot out of the shell by the action of the expansive force of gases from a burning gunpowder. Rotatory motion is the action of bullet passing through a rifled bore barrel firearm which either twisted to the left or to the right. Translational is the action bullet once it hits a target and sub, subsequently ricocheted. Interior ballistic is the branch of ballistic which treats the motion of projectile while it is still inside the firearm, which extended from breech to muzzle. Exterior ballistic treats of the attributes or movement of the projectile after leaving the gun muzzle. It extended from the muzzle of the gun to the target of any attributes to the motion of projectile while it is in its tight and before reach the target. Terminal ballistic is the branch of ballistics which deal effects of the impact of the projectile on the target. Forensic ballistic. This branch of ballistics is the product of the application of the ballistics law. Terminal accuracy. It refers to the size of bullets grouping on the target. Terminal energy is the energy or force of the projectile when it strikes the target. Same striking energy. Scope of forensic ballistic. Field investigation, ballistic technical examination of exhibits, legal proceeding. Man behind firearms. John M. Browning, wizard of the modern firearm and pioneer, the breech-loading single-shot fired with which was adopted by Winchester. Samuel Colt, patented with patented the first practical revolver and maker of the Colt Peacemaker firearms revolver in the I, maker of a famous revolver in the history. Alexander John Forrester, father of percussion powder, Major Uzel Gal, an Israel army who designed Uzi in the year 1950. Colonel Calvin H. Goddard, father of modern ballistics, John C. Garand, designed and invented the semi-automatic U.S. rifle, caliber 30 M1 Garand. George Hyde, a well-known expert in field of SMG, also known as gear gun, developed in 1941. Mikhail Kalashnikov designed the AK automatic Kalashnikova 41, adopted by the Russian army in the year 1951. Horace Smith found the great firm of Smith and Wesson and pioneered in making breech-loading rifles. Eugene Stoner designed the U.S. M116 Armalite under the license of by Colt Company from July 1959 onwards. L.C. Smith developed shotgun bearing his non-wow the Ithaca gun company. John T. Thompson developed the course of World War I, the Thompson M1A1, the model of 1828A1. Daniel B. Wilson, associate of Horace Smith in the marking of revolver. David Carbine Williams, the maker of first hand-known carbine. Oliver Winchester, one of the earliest rifle and pistol maker. 1849, the smokeless powder was discovered. It was used first in the shotgun in the year 1846 by Cap Scholz by the Captain Cap Scholz by the Persian Army and rifled by the year 1884 by M. Weil of France. Smoothbore firearms that have no rifling lands and grooves inside their gun barrel. Rifled bore firearms that have rifling inside their gun barrel. Artillery refers those types of firearm that propels projectile with more than 1-inch diameter. Small arms are fired that propels projectile with less than 1-inch diameter. It can be handed, handled, moved, and operated by one man. Machine guns is the type of firearm is primarily designed for military use.